So what's up everybody, it's Mike here, the FPV Evil Monkey, and welcome back to the channel. So today has been a little stressful. You guys will find out in a couple weeks what I'm talking about. Yeah, I'm gonna fly because I need to de-stress. So yeah.
Why she with it? Nice. Damn. And should I be a little worried if she gets a little flirty? I know it ain't any worries. Might even get an extra car. Might even get some extra more. Like everything about your pores. If you wanna fuck some more, let's just fucking tell it's for. Like I don't know, she had a plan. What the fuck is with her man? I don't know, she had a plan. Go and get a man. I don't know, she had a plan. What the fuck is with the man? I don't know, she had a plan. Oh, I should go and get a man. I don't get it right. Is she with it? Is she with it? Nice. And should I be a little worried if she gets a little flirty? I know it ain't any worries, right? I don't know, she had a plan. What the fuck is with the man?